Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to reduce logo padding in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here on our online store. Now in this, let's head over and click on this customize. Now, once we have clicked on customize, we can see our Shopify editor. So from in there, we should be able to see that we have here our store, our logo, and all of that. So let's head back. And now since we confirmed that we have that, let's head over and click on these three dots. Then from in there, click on edit code. Now on this edit code right here, we should be able to see the code for our actual store. So searching here for base, and we can see this base.css. So click on it. And in here, you can see a lot of code. So in here, I have here this code, this header __ heading dash link. So what you can do is you can just copy that. And then once I have copied that, I can actually just click on Control F and I can find that specific code. And then let's click on next. Now we have this code right here, but this is not what we're looking for. So let's head over and click on next again. And now we have this. Now next again, until we have this one. So this heading link right here, we have here the padding. So if you want, you can actually just change the padding. So the padding is actually just 0.75 rem. You can change it to 0.25. Or if you want to actually remove it, you can just head over and then delete it altogether. Now from there, just head over and save the progress. And then as you can see, you can actually click on the preview store in order to see the logo padding reduced. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply like, below, or subscribe button. This helps me reach more people. See you soon.